Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 hidden features of iPhone 15 Pro Max, the latest and most advanced iPhone from Apple. This phone has a lot of amazing features, but some of them are not well known, so we will look into these features. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Alright. So let's start the video. The first hidden feature is the titanium frame. The phone 15 Pro Max is first iPhone to use titanium for its frame, which make it more durable and lighter than the previous model that used stainless steel. The titanium is also more resistant to scratches, so your phone will look new for longer. The second hidden feature is the Periscope Camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a unique camera system that includes a periscope lens that can provide up to 6x optical zoom. This means you can capture distant objects with more clarity and detail than ever before. The periscope camera also uses a folded optic design that allow it to fit inside the thin body of the phone. The third feature is the action button. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has new button on the side that you can customize as a launcher for different actions or app. You can assign different functions to the action button, such as taking a screenshot, launching Siri, or open your favorite app. You can also change the action button settings in the control center. Alright. The fourth hidden feature is the USB Type-C port. The iPhone 15 Pro Max first iPhone to switch to Lightning port, USB Type-C. USB Type-C is more universal and versatile connector that supports faster data transfer and charging speeds. You can also use USB Type-C to connect your phone to other devices such as monitor, keyboards, or headphones. The fifth hidden feature is the A17 Bionic Chip. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on A17 Bionic Chip, which is the most powerful processor ever in an iPhone. The A17 Bionic Chip is based on 3nm technology that delivers improved performance and efficiency. It also has an 18-core neural engine that can handle advanced tasks such as machine learning, augmented reality, and photography. So these are the 5 hidden features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max that you might not know about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.